Hey, what's up you guys, this is everyone here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. This video is gonna be super duper interesting, and the reason is that so many good setups happened this morning on GBPUSD and EURUSD, and I want to break it down for you guys that how you could literally take a very sniper entry trade when New York session opened. So I'm gonna start with GBPUSD right now, but before that, you know, I start my videos with Goldie Incubator results, and as you know, we started a brand new account 4 days ago on a $1,000 account. And I want to show you exactly what happened. So this is our link to my FX book. By the way, you can join our Telegram channel. I always upload, recent updates for the EA, the results that we have, so you can actually, see it every single day that what's going on with Goldie Incubator on this brand new account. And as you can see, we installed this account in March 7th, and today's date is March 11th, and we've gained over 21% profit on a $1,000 account, which is $219 Canadian. And this is a real account, and I can show you my VPS account. This is my VPS account, Goldie Incubator. It's activated, it's $1,000 account, and if I go to account history, you'll see all these trades having taken like in the past 24 hours during London sessions. This one, all of these trades are super good. And today's date is 11. Let me show you how many trades it took. It was only $1 trades, and the big one was this $19 trade. But for $24 profit yesterday, because today's Friday, so it doesn't risk that much. And these are the trades that this robot took when London session opened. So these are the things which is super interesting about this robot, guys. And you can try Goldie Incubator for 7 days for free. So far it's 7 days. I probably change it later, I don't know, but you can try it out, see how it works for you, how much profit you can make. Try it on a demo account for a week to see how much profit you can make. And the link is down below in the description. Check it out. Send us an email and we'll manually activate your account. So without any further ado, let's get into GBPUSD. So I'm going to do a little bit of replay for you for 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I want to show you when I wake up in the morning what I exactly see at 8 in the morning. So the first thing I do is identifying the trend of the market, which is very important, guys. So I'm on a 15-minute time frame. I always trade on 5-minute time frame, as you can see, as you know, because I'm a scalper. I want to be in and out of the market. And I noticed that on a 5-minute time frame, the market tried to create higher highs and higher lows. And we had a major break of a structure here and a major break of a structure right here. So in this case, we'll see, okay, we probably say the market is trying to be bullish, although the overall trend is bearish because of the huge break of a structure that we had. And that's why it's kind of overwhelming for us if you want to analyze the market only on 5 minutes time frame. So but that's totally fine. You can also analyze it on 5-minute time frame. You know that we have higher highs, higher lows, we have break of a structure. The next thing you need to do is to identify high probability order blocks, and what I can see is this one that is still not tapped into, and it is a high probability order block. The reason is that we had a huge spike after that and the price never tapped into this zone. That's why it makes this zone a high probability order block, which is a high probability demand zone. And but if you switch your time frame to 15 minutes and you zoom it out a little bit, you'll notice that we are experiencing a bearish market. And the reason is this one. It's very obvious. Huge break of a structure, and then after that, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And this trend right here is the correction of this lower lows and lower highs, or I would say is a correction of this bearish market. So I'm not saying that because you should always zoom out on a higher time frame to identify the trend, and it's super easy, guys. You don't have to use trend lines. You can literally use your eyes and see whether the market is bullish or bearish. I know it's tempting when you notice that you have a break of a structure here, it actually broke the swing highs. You'll be tempted to take a long position. That's totally fine, but where do you want to take it? Where do you want to enter your long position? So you switch it to 5-minute time frame, and then you notice any high probability order block. If you see it, then take it. There's no problem with that. But the overall trend is bearish. So since I couldn't notice any high probability order block, oh, there's a high probability order block here as well. So this is a high probability order block that we have, and we can use our Fibonacci level since we have a few breakout structures here. So I can use my Fibonacci level from here all the way to here, and then I wait for the price to tap into this level. And as you can see, it actually goes up, it goes up again, and here it literally tested this order block, a golden zone, which is from here to here. And I'm going to change the color so you don't get it mistaken by order block. And then after that, the price literally dropped significantly. Look at this. It would be a beautiful trade. Don't get me wrong. It would be a beautiful trade as if you wanted to sell the market, because you know that the Fibonacci starts from here all the way to down. So it's very, very important to take it into consideration where the drop started until where it ends, and it started doing correction, which is here. So from all the way from the top all the way to the bottom, and then if you draw it, you'll see that the price tried to reach this level, which is our golden zone. And if I delete this, you'll see that this is a very beautiful candle. It's a reversal candle that it wants to come down, and I can take my sell position here, put my stop loss here, and take my TP somewhere around here, which would be almost a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio trade, which was absolutely amazing. And I could take this trade around 6:35 in the morning, which was really good, just using Fibonacci level. So when you identify the trend of the market, the next thing you need to do is to find high probability supply and demand zones and Fibonacci levels, only golden zone, and you can take your sniper entry. And it's very, very easy. You just need to zoom out and see where the drop happened. So it started from here, it ended here, and then you can use your Fibonacci from here all the way to the bottom, and then you see that it actually hit the golden zone, and it never broke above that level, which is very, very important. If it breaks above the golden zone, then it's not respecting it, and then you need to change your bias and wait for more confirmations to take a sell position. But here is a beautiful trade, and you can just close your position here. So after that, this is a high probability order block, and we have a bullish engulfing candle. Some people get tempted to take their sell position, buy position here, put their stop loss here, and their TP here. So it's exactly a 1-to-1 trade. But let's see what happens. See, I got stopped out, and the reason is that since the overall trend is bearish, this high probability order block here got respected. Look at this. This one got respected, and we have a beautiful M pattern, which is a head and shoulder. Look at this. It's a beautiful trend, and then boom, it has stopped all the buyers out who took their long position from here all the way to, if they wanted to close it, whatever they wanted to do it, just because of the overall trend of the market. And this supply zone got respected, and we have a beautiful candle here that got formed, and after that the market dropped significantly. So that's what I'm saying. It's very important if you want to identify supply and demand zones. It has to be according to the trend. If you want to trade opposite of the trend, guys, you got to be super, super careful. Especially in this case, people get tempted because, okay, we have higher highs, higher lows, we have breakout structure, so the market is trying to change its direction. But 5-minute time frame is not the only indicator you need to rely on. You need to go to higher time frames, 1 hour to 15 minutes, to see how it works. And then after that, you need to kind of see that how it's working for you. But this is what happened for GBPUSD, guys. It was a beautiful trade, and I want to show you what happened with EURUSD, which was almost the same as GBPUSD, but it's really worth giving it a try and analyzing it for you, because it was a beautiful one. It was one of my favorite trades. So let's get it to 8 a.m., which is New York opening. And then after that, you notice that we have this kind of sideways trends. See, it's not kind of bullish, it's not bearish, it's just sideways. And then we have this huge spike towards upside, break of a structure, break of a structure, break of a structure, and then again the same thing happened with EURUSD as well. But if I switch my time frame to 15 minutes, then I notice that actually the market is bearish because of this huge break of a structure, this huge drop, lower lows and lower highs, and this was just a correction to fill in the gaps around this area, and then it dropped again. So, and when I wake up in the morning, I see this bearish candle here. So I'm not going to change my bias towards buying the market or waiting like for 2-3 hours to buy the market. No, I know that we have bearish. We have this breakout structure here and breakout structure here, and the overall trend is bearish, the same as GBPUSD. So I know that this drop started from here and it ended right here. Okay, because the next candle is a bullish candle that happened, and then I'm just targeting this golden zone, which is here, and I'm just waiting for the price to tap into this level. Okay, this is it. See, it got rejected. It never broke above the golden zone. And then if you want to take your sell position here, that's the interesting part. You can take 2 to 3 trades and close the first one. You can close the first one here, the second one here, and the third one here. Look at this. If you're patient enough and you want to just take one trade, it's a 1 to 7 risk to reward ratio. Look at this. How beautiful it is, guys. How beautiful is it? It's beautiful. You just need to be patient and wait for the third TP to smash. But to be honest with you, I'm not that type of person to wait for 1 to 7. I barely do that. And if I want to do it, I definitely take a 1-to-1 trade first, and then I leave a runner for the second one and the third one. I don't usually actually leave a runner for the first trade that I take. If I want to close it, I close it here. It's still a 1 to 3 trade. It's a very beautiful, it could be a very beautiful trade, but if you want to take the second trade as well, you can close it here and the third one here, but it barely happens. But I personally close it here if I want to take it, and then the second one right here. That happened. It was a beautiful trade, like textbook, completed textbook, using Fibonacci level, identifying the trend of the market. But that's all you need to do. So that was my breakdown for EURUSD and GBPUSD, guys. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop your comment below this video, and I personally get back to you. And about Goldie Incubator, you know what to do. Try it for 7 days to see how it works for you on a demo account, and if you're happy with the results, go ahead and sign up with a real one. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.